Hi guys, what's up? Um, very random video. I don't know why. Like I just decided I wanted to vlog today because A, I've been getting a lot of requests for vlogs, and B, we are shooting a very special episode. So I'm gonna probably post this after the episode is telecasted, and not right now. But I just thought I'll vlog today. Also, your girl is on second day of her periods, and I fainted on set today morning while shooting the first scene. That's not very good, but I just thought I'll take up more work and vlog. So we are starting it in my vanity because we are not on set right now. So the set is different. I'm going to give you the set tour some other day. Also, girl on her periods is not doing very well because I've got acne on my skin, which is not the best thing. So anyways, I'm just going to give you like a little tour of the vanity so you can see how it is. So this is the mirror. I'm not sure, but I think the camera is a little dirty. The camera was a little dirty and now it's a little clean. So this is what the vanity looks like. It got two beds. I'm sharing it with Pakhi today. So that is washroom. This is my side of the bed. This is the AC. This is, I showed it to you. So this is it. I'm just gonna take you out and show you what the outside looks like. And this beautiful view. That's another vanity van. I think Kinjal Pari Ishani to I am, but Kinjal, Pari, Mahi and Radha are in that room. Also Toshu Ansh. This is Dolly and Leelaben and me, Pakhi. Casting directors, one more, Anupama ma'am and Prem and Rahi. And that is the house we are shooting on, the villa. It's beautiful, amazing. I'm gonna take you guys along, and this is how beautiful the view is. I'm obsessed. But yeah, let's go inside and talk. So I'm not sure if you can hear the sound of the AC, but like your girl is literally drenched in sweat. So I just need a little bit of this and let's just talk. बहुत टाइम से बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट थी ब्लॉग के लिए और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है ऐसे रैंडमली बात करने में, तो आई थॉट I should just give it a try. So I will be trying to post vlog every single week, but that also depends on what the response is to. So I'm just telling, like, this is an experiment. If you guys like what you all seeing, do support it so I can make more of it. And I'm gonna take you guys along. मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं हिंदी में बात करूँ because I know बहुत सारे लोग के कमेंट्स आते हैं कि they want me to talk in हिंदी, but I don't know यार, मतलब थोड़ी आदत पड़ जाती है ना कभी कभी, तो मुझे ऐसे आदत हो गई है बस. But I'll try my best to talk in Hindi as well so that you guys can understand. But आज second day है यहाँ पे शूट का. कल we have already shot one sequence और काफ़ी अच्छा एपिसोड होने वाला है. आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. और अभी हम एक डांस सीक्वेंस शूट कर रहे हैं, तो उसके BTS आई शो यू कि हम कैसे डांस सीखते हैं. एंड आई सी हु ऑल विल बी एबल टू बी इन द व्लॉग टुडे. आई ट्राई टू ब्रिंग इन एज मेनी पीपल एज पॉसिबल. आई ट्राई टू गिव यू अ फुल ऑन टूर. So let's just go. And also one thing I really wanted to say this, but we are all actors. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज हम एक कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहे हैं जो थोड़ा नेगेटिव है, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि हम रियलिटी में भी वैसे ही हैं. वी ऑल आर वेरी वेरी नाइस पोलाइट पीपल. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स पे कैरेक्टर को लेके आपको जो लिखना है आप लिख सकते हो, बट प्लीज़ डोंट राइट मीन थिंग्स अबाउट अ पर्सन बिकॉज वी ऑल आर डूइंग आवर जॉब्स. लाइक आई एम श्योर आप लोग लाइक हु ऑल आर वॉचिंग माइट ऑल्सो हैव जॉब्स एंड whoever in your house might be having jobs. जैसे वो काम कर रहे हैं वैसे हम भी बस अपना काम कर रहे हैं. तो there's a certain thing that we are doing in the show is not something that we actually intend to do. तो प्लीज़ वो एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेगा. I really want you all to make sure that you guys get the point. And yeah, I'm just so grateful for everything that you guys been giving me, all the love and support. I love you so much. And let's just take you around. I'm gonna take you all and show you the BTS of what the set looks like and how we shoot scenes. Oh my god, this got too close. Okay, let's go. अभी मैं नीचे जा ही रही थी कि हमारे एडीज बुलाना है हमको.
अरे चलो ना भाई, वीडियो बनाने का टाइम.
ये हमारे EP हैं.
चलो चलो चलो.
मुकेश say hi, I'm doing a vlog.
Hi.
This is our EP. This is the guy who gave us call time and forced us to come
Paki
on
ji?
time. He's not here. She's not here. Anyways, keys मेरे पास हैं. But let's go. Radha. Hi. Mahi. Why are you still in that chum area with the umbrella? ये है शबाज. ये है हमारा लाइक मोस्ट फेवरेट असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर एंड यहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे हैं. ब्यूटिफुल प्रॉपर्टी, लाइक आई लव्ड द प्लेस. आई एम गोना गिव यू गाइस अ लिटिल टूर एज वेल सो यू गाइस कैन सी व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. बट अ beautiful place. This is what a set looks like. And yeah, this is like the entrance. Dance हो रहा है. That is upstairs. I'll see if I can go upstairs. But I am upstairs. View in this house, left, right is good. There's one room. And there's a different room. Oh, you see that view? I'm just gonna go down now because चल रही है हमारी यूनिट यहाँ पे. एंड देन देयर इज एन इन्फिनिटी पूल. एज सून एज आई सॉ दैट इन्फिनिटी पूल आई वाज लाइक क्राइंग बिकॉज आई वांट टू टेक अ स्विम एंड आई वांट टू टेक अ डिप. बट एनीवेज, बाय द वे, लुक एट द व्यू. सी, people have been calling me left and right, but Ishani just doesn't care. So yeah, beautiful place. Gonna give a tour as well in a bit. And yeah, let's just go. Another unit has been set up here. You see the chaos that goes behind actually filming a proper scene.
इसको बाल है, जो भी लिपस्टिक वगैरह लगाना सब लगा ले.
We are ready for the shot. And
चलो टेक करेंगे अभी. रूपाली सीधे आंखों से पट्टी हटाई एंड सबने बोला.
yeah, let's go. I am like obsessed with this view. Like, I don't know what to say. This is just beautiful. That is how we are learning the dance right now. The dance that will be gonna go telecasted.
इसके बाद दिखाओ आगे. भाई देखो 5 6 7 इधर ही गार्डन में 5.
Rahi,
रेडी रखना गाना.
Adrija,
हाय
hi.
राही देखना है इसको 5 6 7 8.
और डीजे वाले नीचे ले आ भाई, फील्ड में जरा. और डीजे सिस्टम
Hello.
कम डाउन. इधर
Hello.
स्पीकर बोलने दे छुपा.
Hey, hi.
What's up?
Yeah, you already said hi.
प्रेम
Hi. Say hi. Hello. Hello.
कौन है?
Vlog है.
कौन है? भूत है.
Hi. Hi. Hello. This is what you're doing.
एक ही बार 1 2
3 4.
आओ गरीब बात.
Anu, hi.
हां ब्रेन.
No. Say Vidushi. Say Ishani.
ईशानी.
हो गया? हो गया?
यो 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 यो.
No. This is my vlog. I will not put you in only.
Okay, Vidushi.
She charges for paid promotions, okay?
Just shut up, okay?
She's a star. She's not for free.
I will take
okay?
money from you to be in my vlog.
Please.
I'm featuring. You should pay me some money. ये सबको यही करता रहता है.
Ah! I know he's treating us like a dog. That means he is.
No, he's treating you like a dog because you're doing everything that he's saying.
ये देखो ये ऐसी ड्रेस पहनी है, ये भावना
What the hell just happened? That's Rashida doing my makeup.
डीजे
Guys, basically, this is Toshu Mamu's regular set outfit. From which angle is this a set outfit? Like, I don't have this much brain. I wake up in the morning, I open my closet, whatever I get in my hand, I just wear it. And then there's this guy.
But same here. I also wake up in the morning, I pick up things and wear.
Yeah, but I think your algorithm is a little different than mine.
But your algorithm is faster than mine.
Probably. And then there's Ansh. This guy talks so rudely to me off screen.
खुला खुला.
नहीं, मैं बुराई नहीं कर रही, लड़का अच्छा है, बट लड़का है ना तो थोड़ा तो
थोड़े टाइम व्लॉग्स रेगुलरली देखो तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा क्यों.
I just am feeling so off. I don't know if it's mood swings or you see, like, my skin is not perfect. Like, it is sometimes, but it's not always perfect. So you should never compare yourself with anybody who works in a field like us, like in a TV or in a web series or in a film, because we fluctuate as well. So yeah, we do. So I am packed up, I'm all ready, set to go. And also just want to mention, so a lot of people think that I don't, like, I see their stories and I don't reply. The thing is that we are literally shooting in middle of nowhere, so therefore I am not getting, like, I'm not able to see whatever you guys are posting properly, so I wait. By the time I have to go back home, I sit at my place and I very comfortably watch everything and I reply to everyone, so I can do that with my consciousness and not just do it because I have to. So yeah, so that was it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe if you like it, because I will do this, I will get better at this if you guys like watching this, obviously. And yeah, I'll see you guys again. Thank you so much. Love you.